today I have a foundation find for you guys, and it's going to be over the Juvia's Place I Am Magic new foundation. I am so excited to be reviewing this and sharing this with you guys. So if you want to know how I feel about this, please stay tuned. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's move forward with the video. Bye guys. Okay guys, so y'all are up close and personal today, but that's what you get with a foundation find. So as mentioned, we're going to be reviewing Juvia's Place. I have it in 2 different shades. I have Chad and I have Senegal. I believe it goes Chad, Senegal, and then the last shade, which I cannot remember. So I'm going to start off with Chad, which is the 3rd to last shade. We're just going to see how this looks. This looked pretty dark, so I feel like this one might be my shade. And this is what the bottle. This is what the bottle looks like. It's a squirting bottle, which I feel like we haven't seen a lot in the makeup world. I do like it in terms of like traveling, so that, you know, I feel like it'll be a lot more easier. You won't have to worry about the lid coming off, therefore your pump getting smushed. So I'm gonna just put this a little bit on my brush. Yeah, that's pretty chocolatey in my opinion. Okay, so oh yeah, this is definitely my skin. This definitely is deep enough. I don't think I need to even try. I don't think I even need to put on the other one, but just for video's sake, yeah, this is, y'all can see that's pretty oh, okay. So it's this side and then it's this side. That's actually really hard. Because this one, you can tell that this one's a little bit lighter, of course, than this one. This one matches the dark points in my faces. Like I have like a natural, I say it's a natural contour. Let me use Chad first and see how that looks. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put this all around my face and then blend it out. First impressions, I really like this shade. I really like this shade. Wow, I really like the shade. I love the shade. I love the undertone. Wow, look how it matches my neck. And I haven't even really just, wow. Okay, Juvia's Place, what y'all doing? Wow, I really like this. I really love the shade of this. Yeah, I think Senegal would have been just a little bit too, I mean, I could still wear it. I just think it would have been a little bit too dark. But this Chad matches perfectly. I'm shook. And it's matte. Like it definitely dries down quick. It definitely dries down quick. It definitely does, because like my face is already dry. I really like that. Wow. Okay, so straight off the bat, I'm already really impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and read some things about the foundation real quick. So it says, Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation offers a smooth application with a natural and soft matte finish to give a flawless coverage. A great formula to even out the complexion, refine skin texture, and erase blemishes, maintaining the initial finish throughout the day. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and oily skin. Well, I like this straight off the bat. And I normally, this already has kind of my approval. Wow, I like this. What I'm gonna do is finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna come right back and tell y'all how I really feel about this makeup. I'm gonna wear it for a couple of hours, and then as well how it blends in with like my concealer and all that other jazz. So stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, so it is now the end of the day. I've had this makeup on for a couple of hours. jumping straight into it, I really like this foundation. One of the highest points of this foundation is the fact that it matches my skin tone. I feel like it matches my skin tone. I feel like it matches my undertone, and that's kind of really hard to find being my skin tone. Usually the line will not be dark enough, or if it is dark enough, then it's not my skin tone. I feel like this foundation really portrays how deep my skin is, and as well my undertone as well. So I really like this foundation based off of that. Now, going into the different type of perks that it has, I like the fact that as soon as I put it on, I could tell it was going to be matte. It dried down instantly, and I really like when foundations dry. I don't know whether other people have noticed this, but a lot of the times foundations, even if they're supposed to be matte, they still kind of they're just, I don't know how to explain it, like wet. And I feel like that leads to a lot of transfer, and that's what I don't like. So I like that this instantly dried. I feel like it works well with the concealer that I used, which is the Makeup Revolution concealer. I just feel like overall, my whole makeup look came together, and of course the base of the foundation is what really set it off. So moving forward to the questions that I always ask myself and then answer to you guys to let you know how I truly feel about this foundation find is, number one, would I recommend it? Number two, would I purchase it again? So I'm gonna reverse it and answer, would I purchase this again? Yes. And there are not a lot of foundations that I purchase a lot. There's actually probably 2 foundations, and think about all the foundations that I like have foundation finds for. There's probably only 2 foundations that I purchased twice. I'm gonna add this to the list. I definitely like this foundation, and like I said, the fact that it matches my skin tone perfectly is like bomb.com. That's really what it is, you know. And then the fact, of course, that it's matte. I am getting a little greasy now towards the end of the day. I have not touched up my face at all since I did my makeup, so I feel like my makeup still looks really good even though I haven't touched it up yet. And then going into the second question, which is, would I recommend it? Yes, I would definitely recommend this foundation, especially if you're on the chocolatier spectrum like I am. Like I said, this is actually third to last, which is crazy because I'm so used to buying the very last foundation shade. That's usually my color. So the fact that I'm actually third to last, like, it blows my mind. Like, it's not the last, it's not second to last, but it's third to last. That's crazy. So, you know, shade color, matte, I feel like it worked well with everything that I put on my face. I would definitely recommend this. And of course, if you're a makeup artist and you just want some other options for your chocolatier girls, I feel like this is definitely a great option as well. So with that being said, if you're still watching this video, please make sure you go ahead and click that like button down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.